Hi guys, you are welcome to today's analysis on how to scalp gold and possibly GBPUSD and Euro USD on the lower time frames. So I'm going to make it very quick. Starting with gold, I have gold on the daily time frame, and daily time frame has been bullish. Okay, has been bullish, but in the last 2 weeks, okay, in the last 1 2 3 4 5 6 last 6 trading days, we've been having more of the bears stepping in. Okay, you look at this, a red candle, a red candle, a red. So looking at this particular range on the daily time frame, okay, looking at this particular range on the daily time frame, we can see that the price is about dropping below the mid of the range. So bears are stepping in, sellers are stepping in, and we might see a possibility of price dropping to the low part of the range. Okay, and if that happens, we might be having a head and shoulder pattern forming. Okay, but for now, price is about making a direction to the downside, and we might be surprised, might just form a double bottom around there and go up. But for now, on the daily time frame, the bears are dominating, but the actual structure is a bullish structure. Let's see how it goes. Let's look at the 4-hour time frame. XAUUSD on the 4-hour time frame. You can see a double top, an obvious double top. Okay, this is the first top, and this is the second top. Okay, this is the neckline. Neckline is around here. A break below this point will send price down to the bottom. Okay, but let's see how it goes. Price might need some impetus for it to go down. Okay, but looking at the 4-hour time frame, we can see the bears dominating. The bears push price down, and they are forming kind of lower lows. Okay, with this formation where the bearish candles are quite longer than the bullish candles, you can see that the bears are actually dominating, and I see the bears pushing it for us to establish a low that is lower than this particular low. So we have to keep monitoring the price of gold for now. Okay, on the 1-hour time frame, what do we have? We can see lower low, lower high. This is lower, this is a high. Okay, this high is lower than this high, so that's a bearish structure. On the 1-hour time frame, you can see a low here. You can see a lower low around here. You can see another lower low around here. So the bearish structure, that's on the 1-hour time frame. Drawing the trend line, you can see that price is respecting a particular trend line. Okay, so that's the 1-hour time frame. Look for selling opportunities. Okay, you can see the power of the bears. Price rose to break this structure around here, but it turned out to be a fake out, and price went deeper, and it's still breaking structures. Look at the break around here, the break of the structure. Price is breaking it, and the bears are dominating, but I can see some little form of support from the bulls, but the support has been broken already. This has been broken already, so price is still dropping on the 30 minutes time frame. If price is going to rise, it will need to first of all break this other block resistance area around here, which is at the 2016 area. It needs to be broken for bears to have some kind of power to move price up. For the bulls to have some power to move price up. So let's look at the 15 minutes time frame. On the 15 minutes time frame, you can see the price keeps dropping, but with this candle that is currently forming, we need to monitor this particular candle, but the slope is still bearish, for now, still bearish. We need to monitor what's happening as the London market opens. On the 5 minutes time frame, still bearish. Now this structure here has been broken, got broken here. We might see price getting back to this low around here. Okay, but if price is going to go up, we have like another block. We have this other block around here. Okay, the 2016 2015 area is another block. But price, for price to get to that place, that particular point, price needs to break this immediate other block around here. Okay, so that's that for gold. On the 5 minutes time frame is currently bearish. Look for selling opportunities. Okay, in the 1 minute time frame, we can see this long spike of candle to the downside. The spike, the candle itself is how many pips? 2011 to 20, like 40 pips. Okay, 40 pips spike, and then price went back up. So with this spike, you might need to monitor, but I suspect and I foresee price going back to more like liquidity has been swept around here. All the stop losses around there has been taken out. Price might still go back to that point. So that's that for gold. Let's look at GBPUSD. This GBPUSD cable on the daily time frame, and this daily time frame shows the power of the BS. Look at this long candle. Okay, we might be having a swing high. This particular point might be our point of swing high. Okay, we might see price dipping a bit, though we have news for GBP USD today. Okay, news will be coming out at the sometime around the London market open. There will be a news release that might affect price. Okay, but with this candle, the bears are stepping in with this particular candle. We might see just one bearish candle formed today. For the whole of today, we might see a bearish candle being formed before price start to go back up. Okay, but that's that for the daily time frame. We might see a candle formed, bearish candle. We might see price dropping to this point before price goes back up. But if it goes up, we might end up seeing head and shoulder pattern where price starts to drop. But looking at the daily time frame, let's see the structure. The structure on the daily time frame is still bullish. It's still bullish. It's still a bullish structure. We need to see if this trend line can be broken, then we might see the BS reversing price. Price might reverse if this trend line gets broken. But for now, the trend line is respected. So the bulls are still in charge of the daily time frame, but it's as if the bears are trying to step in and try to push price down. If the bears push price down, the price of GBPUSD, the bears push the price down, we might see a support around here. Okay, here might serve as support on the daily time frame. Looking at the 4-hour time frame, GBPUSD, you can see a double top or head and shoulder. Double top, this is the first top, this is the second top. Okay, a double top pattern, though we have this little top around here and this little top around here, and you can see that price has broken the neckline. This can be taken as a neckline. Okay, this can be taken as a neckline. All right, the price has broken the neckline, and price might retrace. Before going down. If it's going to go down on GBPUSD, it's going to go down. You might see it going down to this other block around here. Okay, So that's that for GBPUSD on the 4-hour time frame. Let's look at the 1-hour time frame. GBPUSD drawing a descending trend line. Trend line is respected. Trend line is currently respected. For now it's bearish. So a break of this trend line, descending trend line around here, might make us see price going up. Okay, but for now price is bearish. Let's look at the 30 minutes time frame. Let's quickly look at the 30 minutes time frame. For the 30 minutes time frame, you can see the bulls trying to step in, but for now the bears are in charge. We have more red candles on the screen. On the 15 minutes time frame, we can see the bulls trying to push price up. We have an ascending trend line on the 15 minutes time frame. We have an ascending trend line. I think the market is anticipating the GBP news that will be coming up at the early hours of the London market session. Okay, so the 15-minute time frame shows retracement of the last down leg. Okay, and price has retraced to 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level. So price might need to get to this particular area for structure to be broken. If price gets to this area and breaks the structure, then we might see further downside of GBP. But before the structure is broken, price might need to break this ascending trend line somewhere around here, around the 1.25 area. So if 1.25 area is broken to the downside, we might see continuation of this newly formed trend, bearish trend. Okay, where we have this high, we have this low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. We are currently about seeing a lower high before we see a lower low, but it's obvious price will dip before it goes back up. Okay, on the 5 minutes time frame, what do we have? You can see this range. Okay, it's ranging, but as it ranges, we are seeing these higher lows. Okay, but the range is so small that it is more like insignificant until we see price coming up to this point. Price gets up to 1.25678 area, we might start considering buying, and price needs to break this structure here for us to 1.26150 for us to take it that the bullish trend has resumed. Okay, that's that for GBPUSD. GBPUSD still ranging on the 1 minute time frame. Price is ranging, and you can see what's happening. Zooming in, you can see this other block on the 1 minute time frame. Okay, this other block on the 1 minute time frame, and then we can see that's the resistance on the 1 minute time frame. You can see this support on the 1 minute time frame. So price is ranging between the resistance and support. A break of either direction will make us see price going in that particular direction. So that's that for GBPUSD. Let's quickly look at EURUSD. EURUSD is also showing us on the daily time frame. EURUSD is also telling us that the daily time frame trend is bullish. We have a bullish trend on the daily time frame. We have a bullish trend on the daily time frame, but in the last 2 weeks or 3 weeks, we can see price forming like a top. Okay, we can see the break of the more like head and shoulder pattern. Okay, like a retracement or reversal pattern. Look at the first top, the second top, which is the head, and the third top, which is the shoulder. Okay, look at the neckline being broken around here. Neckline got broken around here. Price broke it, retested, and you can see a break. Okay, so price might go down a bit, possibly down to this ascending trend line before we see a continuation of the trend, but for now it looks bearish. Okay, you might look for a point where you get to sell for now. Okay, looking at the you might look for a point to sell on the 4-hour time frame. I'm talking about Euro USD 4-hour time frame. Look at what we have here. We have this descending trend line, and price is currently respecting the descending trend line. The descending trend line, price is currently respecting the descending trend line. So we might be seeing a rise a bit to an extent before price continues to descend. Look at, we have a high, we have a low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. We might see a lower high for structure to be broken around here, then we now see a lower low. But for now, the bulls are trying to retrace price a bit before price start to drop, possibly at the London market open. Okay, let's look at the 1 hour time frame. What do we have on the 1 hour time frame? On the 1 hour time frame, you can see this particular candle that broke this structure around here. The candle broke this particular structure around there. We have a retest, then we can see price dropping. Currently price is trying to rise. The bulls are trying to step into the market on the 1 hour time frame. You can see price trying to rise. A break above this point might give the bulls some little hope that price can go up, but for now it's a bearish structure on the 1 hour time frame. It's a bearish structure. Okay, let's look at the 30 minutes time frame. On the 30 minutes time frame, we can see more like an inverted head and shoulder. This is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder. So we might see price going up a bit. Let's look at the 15 minutes time frame. The 15 minutes time frame, price is currently ranging, and the bulls are trying to break this particular structure around here, but this needs to be completely broken first before we get to this. So, but a breakdown of this particular trend line, we see price going for the structure here. Okay, if the price breaks this particular trend line, Euro USD, okay, on the 15 minutes time frame, if this gets broken, we might see price getting to this low. Okay, for now price is ranging, anticipating the London market open. Okay, look at the 5 minutes time frame. Price is currently forming higher high, higher low. These are low, these are our high, this is a higher high, this is a high, this is our high, this is a higher high, this is, pardon me, higher low, and this higher high, this is a lower low, then this is a higher high. Okay, higher low, higher high. Okay, so it's a bullish structure on the 5 minutes time frame. So a break of this particular block here, we might start seeing price go down. Now a break of that block and then the break of this particular trend line here, might see price visiting the down path. Now also we have this other block around here, it will also be as a support. The price breaks it, price will target the last order block, which is around here. Okay, but for now price is going up on the 5 minutes time frame. On the 1 minute time frame, you can see price breaking structure. Price broke this structure and price is heading up. So that's that for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click the subscribe button so that you get to see more of our videos. Click the like button if you like the video. Also drop comment, ask question, click the bell button below the video for notification. You can visit our website www.binefxtrader.com to learn more on how to trade. You can also visit our account to learn more on how to trade. Till I come your way tomorrow, it's bye for now.